Hello, and welcome to Slow English Conversations. We're really glad you're here today.
If your day feels busy, if your mind feels full, you're in the right place.
This is a quiet space, a place to slow down, a place to listen to real English, spoken naturally.
There's no rush here, no pressure to understand everything. You can simply listen and relax.
We're just two people, talking calmly, sharing simple, everyday moments.
You can listen while resting, while walking, or while enjoying a quiet moment for yourself.
Today's conversation is about something many people experience.
Professional small talk at work.
Those small conversations, short moments, the kind of talk people share in offices and meetings.
Nothing complicated, just natural voices and simple English.
If you enjoy listening like this, you can like the video.
And if you'd like more calm conversations, you can subscribe to the channel.
Now, get comfortable.
And let's begin.
So, Sarah, how was your morning today?
It was nice. Pretty calm, actually. I arrived at work a little early.
That's always a good feeling. Everything feels a bit slower.
Yes, the office was quiet. Only a few people were there.
I really like those moments, before the day really starts.
Me too. There's no noise yet, no rush.
You can take your time.
Exactly. You can make coffee, check your desk, look at your schedule.
And just get ready for the day.
Yes. And you can say hello to people slowly.
Just a simple, good morning.
And a smile. That's enough.
Do you usually talk much in the morning?
Not too much. Just short conversations.
Nothing long.
Right. Just a few words.
Like, how are you today?
Yes. Or, did you have a good weekend?
I hear that one a lot.
Me too. It's very common at work.
Those small questions feel friendly
They help people feel comfortable,
and connected.
even if the conversation is short, even if it only lasts a moment.
It still matters.
Yes, it really does.
One topic I hear a lot at work is the weather.
Oh, yes, that's a classic one.
It's something people talk about every day.
Yes, and it's very easy to talk about.
You might hear, it's cold today.
Or, it's really sunny.
Sometimes people say, it's nice outside.
Or, looks like it might rain later.
Simple words,
Easy sentences.
no pressure.
And everyone understands.
You don't need to think too much.
You just notice the day and share it for a moment.
What about before meetings?
That's a big one. It happens a lot.
People often arrive early,
Yes, they come in, they find a seat.
and there's a quiet moment before things start.
Exactly. Everyone is waiting.
Looking around the room,
Someone might smile, someone might speak.
they might say, "Did you find the meeting room okay?"
Or was it easy to get here?
Sometimes people talk about the morning,
Yes, traffic was busy this morning.
or "It took a little longer today."
Nothing serious.
Just friendly conversation.
A few words before the meeting begins.
Do people talk about work itself?
Sometimes, but usually in a light way.
Not in a serious or stressful way, just small mentions.
Yes, like it's a busy week.
Or "I have a lot of emails today."
Or meetings back to back.
Not complaining, just sharing.
Exactly. It's a way to connect, to acknowledge the day.
It feels natural.
Yes, short words, friendly tone, nothing heavy.
Even a small comment like that can start a conversation.
And it helps people feel comfortable at work.
Lunchtime is different, I think. It feels more relaxed.
Definitely. People slow down a little, take a break from work.
They might talk about food, or just small things that make them happy.
Yes, someone might say, "What are you having for lunch?" Or notice someone else's food and say, "That smells really good."
It's simple, friendly, and easy to respond to.
No pressure, just casual conversation.
And it helps people connect outside of work tasks. You get to know someone a little better.
sometimes those small talks make the day more enjoyable.
Yes, a short chat, a smile, and everyone feels a little lighter. What about the end of the day? When people are leaving the office?
That's another common time. A moment to check in with each other.
You often hear, "Long day today."
Yes. Or, did you get everything done?
Sometimes just, "See you tomorrow."
Short words, but they matter.
Even a few simple words can make a difference.
They make the workplace feel human, friendly, connected.
It's a small ritual, saying goodbye and wishing someone well.
Yes, it helps everyone leave the day a little lighter.
Professional small talk doesn't have to be difficult. It can be simple, quiet, friendly.
Yes, it's just short moments, little words shared throughout the day, nothing long or complicated.
Simple words, friendly tone, a smile, a nod.
And that's enough. Nothing perfect, nothing planned.
Just natural, real conversations, the kind that happen every day.
Yes, that's what makes them feel calm and easy. Simple human connection.
And that's really all small talk is about.
Exactly. Short words, friendly voices, natural moments that make the day a little warmer.
Thank you for spending this time with us today. We really appreciate you listening.
If you enjoy listening like this, you can come back anytime. It's always here for you.
You can listen again or try another conversation anytime you want a quiet, calm moment.
And if you'd like, you can subscribe to the channel so you won't miss our next conversations.
You can also like the video or leave a short comment. Just one sentence is enough.
It can be your listening practice or your writing practice.
Thank you for listening slowly with us, taking your time, breathing.
Take care of yourself.
And we'll talk again soon with more calm, simple, real conversations.